buy call, because here we can see the breakout happened on the trend line, that is nothing but the resistance line with high volume. So I give it target 1189, and the second target is 1275. Okay, I'll write the risk to reward ratio for long position. This will be the risk to reward ratio. This is the buy point. This is the stop loss. So this is I'm analyzing in 30 minutes chart. So this will be the, so risk to reward ratio is 5. So if we invest, if we buy 7 quantity, if we place the cursor over here, you can see quantity bought is 7. Okay, so if stop loss hits, we'll lose 750, or if the target hits, we'll be in a profit of 2260. 2260 will be the profit. So this is about Tech Mahindra. This is about Tech Mahindra, and next will be, I'll increase the, okay, I'll expand this one so that it will be easily understand. So this will be the target. So this is about Tech Mahindra. Next I'll be analyzing Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise, if we go to day chart, I have already told it's on a selling side. Last week I gave a sell call. Okay, so then I explained that if the value rejects at 0.78 or zero point 0.8, then we can expect the target up to 0.236. So today we have seen there is a rejection at 1011. Not today, yesterday we saw there was a rejection of the price happened with buyer's volume also. So we can expect, presently we can expect the target up to 1710. We'll analyze in lower time frame, because still it's not confirmed, rejection is not confirmed. We'll analyze the lower time frame, that is 30 minutes chart. Okay, here I gave a call on 17th of February. I have told that once the value crosses this trend line, then we can expect the target on downward up to 1100 or 1050. So yesterday, this is on 28th February, we saw that the value reached up to 1110. Okay, 1110, the value reached that 1110, and we draw the trend line for downward direction. So then we saw the value is crossing the trend line. So we booked the profit over here, that is 1200, and a call taken at 1700. So we were in profit of 500. So we were with a profit of 500, and you can see last time while going downtrend here, parallel channel has created. Okay, now the price is acting as a support. Almost 6 candle is created, and there is a rejection. You can see. Okay, almost 6 candles rejected and staying above this parallel channel. So this is acting as a support line. So then we can expect the buy call at 1401 with stop loss of 1324, and the target is, target we can expect is 1706. Okay, so still it's not confirmed. Why I'm telling still, the uptrend is not confirmed because you can see this moving average is not closed by the price. Okay, once the price closes this moving average and then go upward, then we can confirm that uptrend. Okay, so this is about Adani Enterprise. Now we'll be analyzing Hindalco. This is the day chart and this is the support line, and once the breakout happened at the support line, you can see here descending wedge. Okay, so here the value has crossed the descending wedge, and now you can see the moving average is outside the wedge. Okay, so the value may come for retesting up to 428 for retesting. So we can expect the target up to 428 for Hindalco. We'll check the lower time frame. We'll check the lower time frame, and here we draw the risk to reward ratio. Select the tool for long position, and this will act as, where is the target? I'll delete this one and create a new one. Long position. So this will be the stop loss, this will be the buy price, and target is, this will be the target. Okay, so this is about Hindalco. So risk to reward ratio is 1.85. This is about Hindalco, and next we'll be covering Axis Bank. Axis Bank, this is the day chart. Let us analyze the day chart. Here you can see already breakout happened on the upper side and it rallied for a while. Okay, it rallied for how many days? And you can see even the volume is good on buying side. So on October 28th, the breakdown happened and it rallied up to from 819 to 960. Okay, so up to Jan 5th, it rallied and then it created the descending wedge. Breakout happened, but you can see if we draw the trend line, the moving average is above the trend line. Okay, so we can expect the target up to 896 or 904. So let us analyze for lower time frame. Lower time frame. So this is 30 minutes time frame. Here we'll draw the long position. So here is the candle created. So this is the risk. This is the stop loss. And this will be the 904 is the target. So risk to reward ratio is 2.09. Okay, 2.09 is the risk to reward ratio. So if we buy 11 quantity, the stop loss value is 750 and the target value, if we get the target, we'll be getting the amount of 1523. Stop loss is 21 points and the target is 44 points. So 1 is to 2 is the risk to reward ratio. So this is, but on a long term, you can see for Axis Bank, if we analyze the day chart, so breakout happened with high volume, right? Breakout happened on high volume. So if the value stays above, like here, if it becomes stable, it will take time. Why it will take time is this moving average, this 20 moving average is below moving average 40. Okay, so to go upward direction, this moving average, that is 20 moving average, needs to come upside above moving average 40. Okay, so for that, actually, once the price rallies again, it will settle for a while, like maybe few days. Once the cross happens, then only we can look for upward trend. Okay, this is about Axis Bank. And let us look into Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, if we take the day time frame, so it's on a descending wedge. Okay, so descending wedge, so still no trend is decided for this, but now it's on a support line, so we can expect a target up to 3839, and the second target is 3932. Okay, we'll look for 30 minutes time frame for Bajaj. Okay, we'll draw the long position. We'll calculate the risk to reward ratio. Risk to what a risk to reward point is 2.34. Okay, so target is 228 points, stop loss is 97 points. So this is about Bajaj Auto. So that's it for today. So if you are interested in my calls, you can subscribe to my profile. My profile ID is Tanuja K. Tanuja K. This is the trading view, and I'm having a